The Odyssey uses advanced computer vision to recognize texts, such as books, newspapers, magazines, documents, packaging, and others. Using OCR to help you read, whether you're blind or low vision, the Odyssey is the perfect companion for all your reading needs. Real human voices read text back to you in English, Spanish, or French. With its compact and lightweight form factor, the Odyssey can handle small or large documents with ease.
Common than others in both cats and dogs. These include fractured teeth caused by trauma, as well as two specific.
It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your document and read it in a comprehensible fashion.
Oma's breath caught in his throat like a mote of dust. It brought back too many.
Listen using the built-in speaker or Bluetooth headphones. Ask us why the Odyssey is the right device for you. Learn more at humanware.com.